I wanted to present my second data visualization project done with Professor John Alexis Garros' class at Northeastern. This time my project is about the Boston Central Library's electricity usage. I pretty much got this data from data.boston.gov, and then after a lot of data processing, I was able to figure out two key insights. The first one is that the weather changes in Boston summer really has a direct impact on electricity usage of the library. So in this idiom, it's very clear to see that the electricity consumption of 2024 summer is significantly higher than that of the 2023 summer. I also noticed that people do use electricity more in the summertime than the springtime, at least in the case of Boston Central Library. So how did I got to derive this idiom that is very visually straightforward? I basically was pulling out the data from data.boston.gov, and then I analyzed the dataset type, which is temporal data. I was able to figure out what are the attributes I need. In this case, I need the month, the monthly usage, which is the total consumption of electricity per month, and I also needed a season attribute. And then basically I had to derive all of those attributes because in the original data set they're all not available. And then I pre-processed it using Python Panda. This is my code that I used to process those data. And in this project, I also tested to make up a few fake example insights. So in here, I basically picked this different insights, and then I chose one of the insights that's the most practical and also conducive for my study. I also this time was able to look at how to do task abstraction. So I know that in this case I did compare trend for both tasks 1 and 2. And then for target audience, this project is mainly targeted towards people who are either taxpayer of Boston or policymakers or environmental scientists at Boston. I also did a how abstraction on my idiom. So overall, this project is a big step forward compared to the last one I did, and I definitely learned a lot in this new project.